In 2018, I was diagnosed with lupus. Having lupus is not easy. It's targeting your whole body. So there's days that I cannot get out of bed. So there's also days that I'm almost asleep the whole day. So I need to take my neuromeds. That's my oxygen. Yeah. Kasi nag-hyperventilate ako agad-agad. Like, no warning. I took all different kinds of laboratories. And then, these are all my medicine. So, it's not all about fatigue. It's not all about the joint pains that I'm experiencing. It's about everything. It completely changed my life.
So now, I can finally say that I'm not just surviving, I'm already living.